Hello and welcome to this tutorial on requesting an item through the Purdue University Library's online catalog. This short video will show you how to search the library's online catalog and how to request an item online. To access the online catalog, visit the Purdue Library's homepage at www.lib.purdue.edu. From the library's homepage, you can search for materials, browse databases, and search for online journals. If you already know the type of resource you're looking for, you can select one of the tabs at the top of the search box to narrow your search to only books and media, course reserves, or articles. You can also search the library's website using the Website tab. Use the Search All tab to search all resource types. Let's do a sample search for materials on genetically modified organisms. Our search retrieved thousands of results. We can use the filters on the left to narrow our search to a more manageable number. Using the Show Only filter, we can narrow our results to include only peer-reviewed articles, only online resources, or to include only items physically available on the shelf. By selecting items that are physically available on the shelf, we've narrowed our results to a more manageable number. The information located under the book description will tell you where or how the item is available. For example, this book is available in closed storage. We can submit a request for this item to be put on hold for us to pick up. To do this, click on the Available At information, then click where it says Sign in for more options. Once you've signed in with your Purdue Career account, you'll have request options. Click Request Hold or Recall, then click here to select a pickup location. Students can select any of the Purdue Library locations on campus for pickup. Faculty and staff have the option to have materials mailed to their work address. Once you've selected your pickup location, click Request. You'll receive an email once the item you've requested is available for pickup. Generally, items requested this way are available for pickup the next business day. If an item you're searching for says Not Available, you can click here and then select Request this resource via Interlibrary Loan to request it from another university. You'll just fill out the request form, then click Submit Request. Now you know how to search the Purdue University Library's online catalog and how to submit requests online. For more help, use our Ask a Librarian link to chat with or email your research question. You can also visit any of the information desks located within each of the Purdue libraries on campus. Thank you for watching.